Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Macquarie Bank account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in macquarie.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. This will now take you to the official webpage of Macquarie, which looks like this. Macquarie Bank, officially known as Macquarie Group Limited, is an Australian multinational investment bank and financial service company. You can find a wide range of services including banking, financial advisory, investment management, and asset management to individuals or corporations. Once you end up in this official web page, you can click on the login button at the top right hand corner in order to open up this expanded menu. Select whether you'd like to log into your personal banking or your business banking account, and then to log into your account, click on this online option. You'll need to enter your Macquarie ID and password in the text boxes appearing on the screen. If you don't remember your details, you can click on the Forgot Login Details link and follow the instructions till the end. Finally, after you are done, click on the login button and you should be able to log into your Macquarie Bank account online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.